Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Hey. Happy New Year's 2025 to everybody out there. So, what's the best way to start off 2025? With making sea moss and elderberry sea moss. I already made one, so I'm going to make one with y'all today real quick and right to the point. And with sea moss do give you 92 minerals out of 102 that your body needs, and that's going to help you with rigging mucus out of your body. All diseases start with what? Mucus. All disease start with what? Mucus. Exactly. So we're going to get that out your body. And the elderberries, it's the cold season, flu seasons. That's good for the flu, for your coughs, for fevers and things of that nature. You know what I'm saying? So let's jump right into it. All right, so now got the blender. This is my old blender. I got the Ninja. I'll bring that out. Okay. We got the sea moss right there. Okay. Got the blender. Got our water. Okay. So I already washed my hands. Everything I do, I already wash my hands. Okay. Before I do anything, I always wash my hands. So we get the sea moss. Just put enough in about eye level, about right here. All right. About eye level. That's good. Bang. Right? So once you do that, then you get your water. Okay? Alright. Now when you get your water, that's when you pour the water inside of here. So pause for 1 second. Now when you're making, okay, now I poured the water in here, see, about eye level, because don't forget the elderberry is also going in there. So now get the elderberry, put the elderberry in this also, but let's blend. Let's give us a quick blend first, okay? Let's give us a quick blend. You'll see. Oh yeah, give it a quick little blend, just so it can go down. So we blending it first because it's easier for when we put this elderberry in there. Okay. Now elderberry. Now we're gonna throw this elderberry up in here, right here, like this. All right. Now, put that. It's gonna turn a color. It's gonna turn that color right there. It's gonna turn like a purplish. All right. There we go, right there. So now, meanwhile, while you're doing this, see how it's blending? Yeah. How it's blending, it's gonna come to a consistency. So you want it kind of like thick, but not loose. That's a good consistency right there. Okay. All right. So now, what you do is, I also gotta taste our product. So now I would say that's a little too thick, but that's okay. So I do this. Perfect. Get rid of that. Now, once you're done, this is a bucket that I had that I didn't fill up all the way. So what we're going to do is continue to fill this up right here with this, like this. Great consistency, as you see. And we fill all the way up, all the way to the top. Now, a jar like this of elderberry is $35 to $40. I usually sell this for $40, but I usually let it go for $35 if you're consistent. If you're a consistent buyer, it's $35. If not, it's $40. Okay, this is the product right here, and we go to my other. Where the hell is the other? I had to go to my other refrigerator. And now I got the other sea moss right here. So a gentleman wants 2 sea mosses, so that's what it is. So that's your sea moss. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that like button. Hit that like button, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Follow me on IG. It's called Let's Talk About It. And follow me on Twitter on Let's Talk About It 1414. So we in the building. I'm gonna record when we dropping it off. Peace.